Tell me more about digital payments now, because it's been 10 years now, right? And I know 15, 16 was an inflection point, where Aadhaar been building it up, UPI been building it up, then demonetization happened. What it used to be then and what it is now, and also, you're with Flywire now. So would love to know exactly what Flywire does.
Yep.
So first, let's talk about digital marketing, digital payments.
Sure. So I think the world started moving towards digital and alternate payment methods over the last 7 to 10 years. And UPI is a prime example of the kind of adoption digital payments have had. I think it all probably stems from the fact that a payer wants an ease. Whether he is making a payment for tuition fee, whether he is making a hospital payment, the ease is the primary driver of the
convenience,
customer experience. The core is the ease. And that's why we have seen adoption of alternate payment methods, digital payment methods across the globe. Whether it's Pix in Brazil, whether it's Pay Now in Singapore, whether it's UPI in India.
Which one is Brazil?
Pix.
Pix. How do we spell?
PIX.
Okay. So this is like a UPI only.
It's like UPI.
It's like your WeChat of China.
Similar. So it's it's a payment form in Brazil. We are closer to UPI, so maybe I'll talk more about UPI. There were times when carrying cash and making a payment was a cumbersome experience, right? UPI came at a point where that was the problem was getting solved. Today you just fetch your phone, use the QR code.
So just interrupting you, I went to a bank in the morning. You won't believe, after 4 years, I have that like 500 not bundle. I'm like, and it took me 1 hour. I mean, you've been waiting, right? I'm like, I wasted 1 hour just to go to bank, just to deposit. I mean, it already I feel like, alien and Asian that, acha ye karte the hum. We used to count the notes and what wastage, Correct. But back to your story.
Yeah. So, end of the day, now people only use a PhonePe or a Google Pay in India, right? And imagine the fact that, how if a domestic payment is getting, there is so much of ease in happening in domestic payments. I think there is a larger movement within the globe where everybody is trying to solve for, cross-border payments, right? And I'll probably briefly talk about Flywire. So Flywire essentially believes the fact that software drives value in payments. We have 4 major verticals: education, B2B, travel, and healthcare. Education is our largest business, where we have tied up with more than 3,000 odd colleges.
How many?
3,000 plus colleges. The number keeps growing, of course. We are essentially solving a challenge for the university, where for them, reconciling payments coming from China, India, Vietnam is a major task. And we essentially provide a dashboard to the university, solve the reconciliation challenge for them, and streamline payments in the send market. As simple as that. And our growth story has been predominantly focused on ensuring that ease to the payer. While we have, our clients are the university entities and whom we onboard and, we set them up with us. Our focus has predominantly been ensuring that ease for the payer. How do you provide ease? If you are not using Flywire, you will probably walk into a bank, fill, multiple forms, and then, there will be an outward remittance which will happen and the receiving entity will get the funds. With Flywire, what you have to do is just, you get an invoice from this, university, you have Flywire as a payment option. All you have to do is go into the Flywire website, you have multiple payment options, complete that option, choose the option that you are most comfortable with, and everything is seamless and digital.